What if I told you there are items hitting at Dollar Tree right now that only cost $1.25 or $1.50 that you could resell for a big profit? There's tons of back to school shopping happening right now as kids are starting school, and Dollar Tree has quite a few items that you can customize and sell. So let me show you how I picked 5 different items to transform and sell because I think they're the ones that will make the easiest money. So let's jump into it. All right, I have my mirror from the Dollar Tree here loaded up with the laser, and so I got to get these 2 little dots to overlap. It's kind of hard to see. But so they're overlapped now, so we can head over to the software. And you can see it has taken a picture of the background, which is nice. We are going to put this kind of butterfly design. So I'm going to try and position it as close as I can to where I want it. So this is meant for like a locker. I think that would look good, but I'm going to frame it just in case. All right, that is looking pretty good. I'm going to push it down just a tiny bit. I think that looks pretty close. I'm going to hide the background because I don't want to see that. And I'm going to come to my master settings list here, and I am going to find my settings for mirror, 90% power, 1500 speed. All right, so now I can process this, and this laser is so amazing. It's only going to take a minute. The next item that we are going to engrave are these rubber erasers. You can get like a pack of 6 for $1.25 at Dollar Tree, and so it just might be nice to have. And so something like this is a real easy seller if you're at a show because they are definitely on the cheaper side, and so parents will be more apt to buy them. All right, let's take an image of our bed. Let's shrink this down so I can actually see what's happening here. We gotta make sure our laser's in focus, so that's nice and in focus. Then we can head over here to xTool Studio, and then we can position our artwork. So let's frame this out so we can see what we're working with. I think that looks about even to me. I need to push it up just slightly. All right, that looks great. And again, all these settings are just test settings. And do 50% power, 300 speed, 300 lines per centimeter, and see what happens. So let's hit process, and it'll take under half a minute, which is amazing. This looks absolutely amazing. So let's flip it to the back and put someone's name on it. Let's frame it out. Same settings as before. Wow, that looks amazing. The nice thing is these only cost 25 cents each, and you can easily sell it for $1 a piece, and you can even bundle it with some custom engraved pencils. So let's do some pencils next. Let me get the right, let's get it in focus. Perfect. All right, for this, we're going to change the settings up a little bit. We're going to do 70 power, 300 speed, and 140 lines per centimeter. Let's take a new picture of the bed. Then let's see. It's going to be real hard. Get it nice and little and on there. Let's frame it out. It should be like literally 1 second. 2 seconds. All right, let's hit the button. We did 2 passes. I mean, that doesn't look bad. Could be a hair lighter. I might bring down the power just a little bit. Alright, and that looks perfect. Parents love customized pencils with their children's name on it, or you can do little phrases like, you got this, you can do it, you're smart enough, all that stuff. People and parents go absolutely nuts for them. So if you could bundle custom engraved pencils as well as custom engraved erasers, you are going to have a sweep on the market for the back to school. So definitely jump on this trend now as school is starting back up. Next popular item are wooden rulers. These things are amazing. I mean, every child has to have one. So these are honestly perfect. And so you have this nice little strip in the middle that you can... Alright, so let's frame this out and get our design as close into the middle as possible. And so for this, I'm actually going to try the settings that xTool recommends. I'm going to go to wood. And I'll just do, yeah, let's try this one. And this is the settings they're giving us, so let's give it a go. And then we can hit the button. Alright, our final thing is a pencil case. Let's get this in focus. Alright, that looks great. I've just typed in a simple name here, so let's frame it out. Alright, so we got that where we want it. So we are going to do 100% fat power, 500 speed, and then 300, and we're going to just go for it. Wow, that looks absolutely stunning, and this is gonna seriously make it so that you can sell this product for so much more money than just $1.25. I hope this video helped give you some ideas for different things that you could sell for the back to school season. Honestly, these probably could sell all year long, but especially right now, people are going to be going nuts for this kind of personalized stuff for their kids' school. Feel free to check out some of the other videos on my channel about lasers and small business profits and ideas on things that you can sell. I'll catch you guys on the next video. See ya!